welcome to my Dubai crib. Come on in. So starting off with our washroom. This is our beautiful washroom. Come with me. We have a shower to the right of us with a stand-in tub. And I think this is a steam shower because it has that over there and 2 faucets. And we can put the screen up or down, so you don't have to see that person there. So I'll demonstrate now. And then you can put it back up, which is really nice. Complimentary body wash, shampoo, conditioner on that beautiful teak stand. I also love the sink area. We have this beautiful angled makeup mirror, outlets, and this is for heating the floors, I think. Might be wrong. Maybe it's for the bidet. And then in here, we have our water closet. So our toilet, which is our beautiful toilet holder. It's gold and it's in the shape of a bird and branch. I thought that was so chic. And it's all marble, which I love. It's actually a nice design. Like this is, I honestly, when I stay at hotels, you get designs of how to fix a small space. So anyone who's redoing their owner suite, if you like a hotel, go with that design. So as you come through the hallway, we have a full-length mirror, which I love because you can check out your fit. Don't mind me, I just came fresh off the plane, so I'm a little, not up to par. Then right beside we have our closet, which we have all of our luggage in there, so we'll quickly move past that area. And then once you pass the hallway, you have another full-length mirror because, we just want to check the fits all through our Dubai trip. And then you go into our beautiful living room. And we do have a thermostat on there, which we can control our temperature of our room. Then we have our view here. We don't have a balcony, but I'd rather the space than the balcony. And that's usually what I find is you're compromising the space at the hotel if you get a balcony. And I'm not going out there. I'm going to go on the beach. So then we have this beautiful TV, which is situated right between our living space and our room. So you can see it from both angles. And they have a beautiful welcome to me here on the TV. So that was a nice touch. A nice workspace or maybe doing my makeup here. And then we have a double bed, which we did request. Usually you get a king size bed, but we asked for a twin bed, which is nice because you can have your own bed, your own space, your own coffee table, side table, and your own outlet. So I like that. And then here we have our minibar section. So if you come over here, we have our glasses, our tea, our coffees, our complimentary water. I believe this is our fridge. So if you come in here, I'll show you what we have. Right now it's just stocked with some drinks. And then we just have a few candies and nuts back there. But yeah, this is basically it for the room tour, guys. I hope you guys liked it. Please do not mind my parents. I was on a flight for 13 hours. But yeah, that's it. Welcome to Dubai.